So please try to write down the molecular formulas of these compounds. I think we have not written the valency of silver. So silver is Hg2 positive. Hg. Mercurous is Hg1 positive and mercuric is Hg2 positive. Hg2 positive. Otherwise, iron written 3 means here you have to take the valency of iron as 3, and here it is written 2. It means you have to take the valency of iron as 2. Here you have to take 1 copper. You have to take valency of copper as 2. Other we have already written. So please try to write down the formula of these compound fast. You've been given only, how many are there? A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, G, and H, I, J, K, L. Take the help of your valency chart, okay? And then try to write it fast. You will be given only 5 minutes to do this one fast. Do it fast. Are you doing better? Are you getting this one or getting stuck?
So can you
Yes,
solve the
I'm
first
doing.
one?
I am going to solve you which one?
Can you
Like for
solve the
example,
first one?
ammonium nitrate, I am going to solve for you. Ammonium is NH3. Ammonium ion is, sorry, NH4. And valency is +1. Okay, just a minute. It is slow. It is very slow here. I should write it here. Okay. Like take I'm taking another example. That ammonium nitrate is ammonium valency is 1 and nitrate ion is NO3. Its valency is also 1. So when it is same 1 1 2 2 or 3 3. So we write them by making like this way. This is ammonium nitrate. Like lead oxide. Lead oxide. So lead is Pb. Lead is Pb. Valency is 2. Oxide valency is also 2. They is same. You cancel out each other, you will get PbO. Like sodium phosphate. So sodium valency is 1 and phosphate is PO4. Its valency is 3. You cross multiply, you will write Na3PO4. Like calcium phosphate. Calcium valency is 2 and phosphate ion valency is 3. You cross multiply. We write Ca3, and when it is more than one kinds of atom, we have to write and we have to multiply. Agar usko multiply, if there is no need to multiply because there is one, we don't need to multiply with 1. So we write it Na3PO4. But here it is 2. 2 is going to multiply with this one, which is greater than 1. So you have to write in this one in the bracket. Na3PO4 whole twice. You have to write it like this way. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to start writing now. Take the valency chart. Do it please fast. Are you still writing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. Still writing. Still writing you.
Done.
Done everyone? Gauri, Hafsa,
Yes, sir.
Tanisha. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलिए. So what's the formula for iron sulfate? Iron 3 sulfate. Iron sulfate, tell me. Formula for iron sulfate. Is it FeSO4
Yes,
or
sir.
Fe3 Fe2SO3 whole thrice? Which
Yes,
one?
sir.
Which one is correct? Which one do you think is correct?
F F
First,
E
first one or the second one? Hmm?
second one.
Second.
Second one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is Zn. Next one क्या था हमारा? Next one, which one? Next one was sulfate. Which one is it? बार बार देखना पड़ेगा. एक मिनट. इसको कॉपी कर देता हूँ. ठीक है. Again, we're going to have this one again. Okay, let's move. So this one will be Fe2SO4 whole thrice. But this one 2 is FeSO4 only. Because iron when you take 2 and sulfate is also 2. So you take, they will cancel out each other, it will be FeSO4. Copper 1 oxide is Cu2O. And copper 2 oxide is CuO. Is it correct? Is it your correct? Zn is zinc oxide is ZnO because both zinc and oxygen have 2 valencies. So they will cancel out each other. Ammonium nitrate I have already explained. It is NH4NO3. Aluminium oxide is Al2O3. Aluminium sulfate. What's the formula for aluminium sulfate? Anybody in the class? Aluminium sulfate. What's the valency of aluminium sulfate?
Yellow.
ALO. Aluminium has valency 3, and sulfate ion has valency 2. So they will cross multiply. You will get Al2SO4, SNO4. S and O should be. So you have to write it in the bracket. Then silver oxide is AgCl3. Mercurous oxide. Mercurous oxide. I have explained you mercurous Hg1 होता है. So Hg is 1 in mercurous and oxide is 2. So you write Hg2O. But in mercuric in एक iron mercury has two valency and oxygen also has two valency. Cancel out, that will be HgO. Sodium phosphate is Na3PO4. Magnesium acetate is MgCH3COO whole bracket 2. So if you have put an incorrect one, any one of them, so please do the corrections, and then let me know if you have done.
Done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Done?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Next. Okay. Here's the formula of these compounds. Please try to write down the formula of these compounds, please, fast. And also calculate their molecular mass. And compute the ratio of the mass of their combining element. Like for example, how will you calculate the ratio of the combining mass? Let me explain you. Like for example, if you want to calculate the mass of ratio of hydrogen and oxygen mass, so you have to write that hydrogens, there are two hydrogen atoms present here. So one hydrogen atom has mass 1, and oxygen total mass is, you can write it like this way also. 2 total mass of hydrogen, and 1 is the total number of atoms is 2 into 1, and the oxygen is only 116. But it is 2 is to 16, you cut it, you will get 1 is to 8. So simplest ratio is 1 is to 8. Like for example, calcium, carbon and oxygen, you have to calculate that in calcium carbonate, what is the ratio of mass of calcium, carbon and oxygen. So you have to write calcium mass as 40 because there is only one calcium atom. Carbon mass is 12. and that of oxygen is, there are three oxygen atoms. So one oxygen atom has mass 16. So three will have 48. So you have to write here 48. And then you divide them all with the biggest possible number. The biggest possible number is actually 4. So like 10 is to 3 is to 12. Okay, so this is the same mass ratio. So do question number 17, and when you're done, please write them. First, write down the formula. Done?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Do it, do it. Are you doing now? First, confirm me
Yes,
that
sir.
what is the, have you written the correct chemical formula or not? If you are not done with the correct chemical formula, then you will, means you will not be able to calculate the ratio, mass ratio. So first tell me the, first calculate the all five molecular formula. Yes, you done, beta. Done.
Yes, sir.
What's the formula of ammonia?
NH3
Okay. For
14
carbon
is
monoxide.
to 3.
Carbon monoxide.
CO
Carbon
CO.
monoxide is C and then capital O. If you write C and then small o, then it means it is cobalt. It is not carbon monoxide. Okay. So write. Don't forget to write both the word capital. Hydrogen chloride.
HCl.
HCl. Aluminium fluoride. Al.
F3
Very good. And magnesium sulfide.
MgS.
MgS. Okay. So almost you know the molecular mass of everyone. I think you have not known the mass of this fluorine. Mass of fluorine is 19. Okay. Fluorine mass is 19. So please try to do it. That means try to calculate the mass ratio. You done? You done?
No
Yes, we are done.
Done. Sir.
Okay. I'm talking about the ammonia. Okay. The ammonia is NH3 and the ratio for this hydrogen nitrogen mass is 14 and total mass of hydrogen here is 3 because 3 hydrogen atom means 3 mass. So ratio is actual 14:3. Carbon monoxide, carbon mass is 12 and oxygen mass is 16. You cut it with the greatest number, that is 4. So you will get 3:4. Hydrogen SCl is the mass of hydrogen is 35, sorry, 1, and that of chlorine is 35.5. So this is already at simplest form. So this is the simplest ratio. Aluminium fluoride, the mass of aluminium is 27 and that of fluorine is fluoride. There are 3 fluoride ion. So, and the mass of one fluoride ion is 19. So 19 into 3 is 57. So you will write it at 57, but you have to cut it by 3. So you will get 9:19. And that of magnesium sulfide is 24. And that of sulfide is 32. You cut it with greatest number, that is MgS, and that is 8. So 8 3 are 24, 8 4 are 32. That is 3:4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Yes or no,
Yes, sir.
everyone? Tanisha, you understood?
Yes, sir.
So let's start. Let's move further. Okay. Okay. Try to write down the names of these compounds. I'm just changing the name. Write down the names of these compounds and also calculate their molecular mass. Please do calculate their molecular mass. Uh, Calculate the molecular mass of these elements, molecular mass, as well as write their names. Do it please fast. Question number 14. Done.
Done, sir.
Done, everyone? Done, beta?
Yes.
What is the mass of this one, CH3CONA? And what is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? It is sodium acetate. 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 It is sodium chloride. It is H2, means hydrogen gas. This one is ammonium nitrate. Nitrate. Have you calculated the mass of this one all?
Yes, sir.
What's the mass?
82.
82, sodium acetate. And that of sodium this one, sodium chloride.
58.5.
This one, 2.
2.
This one,
80.
80. We check it alternates. Mass of sodium acetate. (82) सही है. And mass of ammonium nitrate 80, वो भी सही है. So फिर भी हम लोग एक बारी इसको चेक करते हैं अपने आप से whether you have done it. So mass of there are 2 nitrogen atom, so 2 nitrogen atom means 2 into 14. total 4 hydrogen means 4 into 1 plus 3 oxygen means 3 into 16. We'll get 28 plus 4 plus what is this? Okay. Next one is when you add 32 plus 1, you will get 80. Very good. Here, sodium acetate. What's the mass of sodium acetate? You have calculated 82. So here is carbon is 2 carbon total. So 2 into 12 plus total oxygen 3 hydrogens plus 2 oxygen 2 into 16 plus 1 sodium 1 into 23. So we get 24 plus 3 plus 32 plus 23. Okay, so when you add all these, you will get 24 plus 3, 27, 27 and 23. 27 and 23, you will get 0, 50. 82 is the correct option. Very good, proud of you. So that's all for today. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class. Thanks for coming, everyone. Just ending this class 2 minutes earlier today. That's all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, are you saying something?